Hi everyone, it's Jarvis here from Ares1, and today I'm going to show you how I made my Japanese Guardian style poster. You probably saw it on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. I put it on Reddit as well. I had massive response to it, so I thought I'd put together this little video and showing you how I actually done it. I'm not going to go into massive detail on how I did each thing because this video was about 20 minutes long. I want to keep it nice and short just to show you. But please do ask any questions that you want. I'll also put links below here where you can find our channel, and you can also find where you can get the image itself if you want to use it as a wallpaper. So I basically started off with a blank canvas. It's 1920 by 1080 pixels. I then wanted to add a gradient to the background, which I did, like this. This is going to be the basis of the image. It's kind of almost white in the middle, goes to a gradual grey. I then wanted to add the traveller, which I did right here. You can resize these as well to whatever size you like. I also changed the colour, so it was a kind of deeper red, not a bright red. I then wanted to add the city wall at the side here, which I did, and that's it there. In Photoshop you have a paintbrush where you can use a soft brush and you can maybe like just brush away the edges, just to kind of blend it a little bit more. And this is the image of the wall that I used. I basically just found this on Google and just cut out the wall that I needed, and then just put it here, blended it a little bit and took out the colour, made it more black and white. I then wanted to add the Guardians, which I did right here. Now these pictures I found on ArtStation by Ryan DeMaita. He's a concept artist. I believe he works for Bungie, or he used to. I'm not sure, but you can find it in ArtStation. This is the original drawing here, and all I was doing was using quick selection tool, hit select subject, and what Photoshop does is it tries to select a subject around the edges for you. It's never always perfect, but you can go in and mess around. You can use different things to basically take away bits that you don't need, like these little bits here. I can take them away, take this away, but again, it's never always perfect. You just kind of be patient with it and do it yourself. And then I would press Ctrl and J, and it would give me, turn that off, it gives me the transparent image there. I would just drag that straight into my original document, and that's how I would have this here. Now I did that for each one. I changed the colours to black and white. I wanted it to be more of a different contrast, a bit of striking contrast with the red. And the next thing I did there was I wanted to add the grass along the front, so I did that. The grass image was kind of green, so I just desaturated it and made it more of a silhouette. So once I did that, I was wanting to have some clouds to add a bit of an effect between the Guardians, the background and the wall, because it just didn't look right there. So I added clouds. So you got the clouds coming up here, adds a little bit more effect. And then from here on in, it was just building on top of that. So I wanted to add a little building here, which I did. And again, I desaturated it, made it more black and white, or jet black, just to kind of blend in. And then added more clouds, and more clouds down here. And the clouds are achieved by using a paintbrush. You can get brushes for free from Brush Easy. This one in particular was just clouds, and it allows you to paint clouds on as you wish, all over the place if you want. And I'll just take that away. But yeah, that's basically it. It's just a brush that you can use. You can change the size of it, you can make it small, you can make it big, and you can just add your own clouds. So that's what I did with that, and I was happy with that as it was. But I wanted to add a little bit more, so what I did was I wanted to have the class logo above each Guardian. So I did, I had them there. And again, I used a paintbrush and I just dabbed behind each class there, which is a separate layer, like so. And the reason it's underneath class logo is I want it to be behind it. I don't want it to be in front. If I was to put this up here, the paint would be on top of it. So what I want to do is move it down one, so it's then behind the class logos. And that was essentially it. That's how I made that image. It did take a while getting the colours right, getting the images right, cutting things out. Just wanted to get it perfect. So I'm just glad that everybody's liking it. I've had quite a lot of response, and I just wanted to make this quick video just to show you how I actually done it. So please do check us out on Twitter. We're at Ares1D2, and the same for Instagram. And we have a YouTube channel, and you can check that out. I'll post links below, and I'll also post the image below, the link to where you can get it. So thank you very much, and if you've got any questions, please do ask.